Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We are checking out the COOFLY power station. It's the S600. It's 600 watts and this thing is doing so much right now. It's charging my phone, it's running my ring light, and it is also running this fan right next to it. This thing's ultra powerful. You can connect it with DC or AC. It's got two big USB ports, two plugs, USB-C and a DC in, as well as a DC out. This thing is going to be fantastic. We're gonna show you all about it and kick it off right about now. And don't forget, it has a big, colorful LED display. So yeah, folks, here in Florida, we get a lot of power outages. We get hurricanes, we get all sorts of bad weather, we get high winds. It knocks out those power lines. So having a generator like this to generate power is fantastic. This stores power for us, and we got so many different ways of input. In fact, there's 4 different ways of input power. I love to do those solar panels. I can connect solar panels to this. I can run a DC from my car. I can run it from my 110. There's so many different ways to charge this thing and get it going. Now, let me tell you a little bit about it and some of the cool aspects. Now, you've got 2 USB ports right in the front. That makes it super easy to charge, say, your phone. You've got the USB-C, and you've got the 2 outlets. In fact, I'm running a, what is it called? A ring light right in front of us, and of course I'm running the fan behind us, all from this. Doesn't matter if I got power. And the thing is, I'm not even beginning to test this thing. This goes up to 600 watts, which means it's good for your big appliances and things of the sort. So I'm gonna show you this up close and personal. Now, one thing I'll note, you can see that the screen kind of flickers here. That doesn't flicker in real life. That may be the refresh rate, obviously, on the phone. But it'll show you in a clear display the percentage of power that's left. And at this point, it's 66%. When I got out of the box, it was 67%. And this thing is fantastic. So you're gonna wanna pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We show you great products, and this is among the best of the best. And if your question is, should you pick it up? We'll cover that. But yes, you should. All right, stick around for the rest of the video. All right, folks, it's time for the up-close portion of the video. So you can get a feel for what you get with this whole thing. This is fantastic. I believe it was 184,000 mAh. Max 600 watt AC out. Dual outlets. And this thing is a beast. Don't take my word for it. Go get it for yourself. So it does come with a easy to read instruction manual in English. You have the PD max output, that's USB-C of 100 watts. DC input, max 120 watts. And your 2 max outlets of 600 watts. Now to get them to work, you just press right here, on off. Same thing here. Same thing here with your USBs, max 18 watts. And your display can be turned on and off. We're at 67% power right out of the box. That's nice that they give you a little gas. Really a fantastic product. You can see it does have a little bit of ventilation over on the side, actually on both sides to keep it from overheating, obviously. Rubberized feet to keep it from scratching your surfaces. And this thing is no bigger than a big old boombox. Now, they do include the in your standard 110, oops, lost my tripod there for a second. Your standard 110, let me go ahead and get that back for you. And it's a fantastic product. You also have, if you should be using your DC from, say, your RV or car, you can charge it with that as well, with the DC in. And, you know, pretty much all the connections you need for the 110. So, this thing is a beast. 600 watts, you're gonna be able to run something like a good refrigerator, some small appliances, your TV, charge your phone infinite times with 184,000 mAh. Like a normal set of batteries, maybe that's 1,800. I think a lot of my AAA batteries might be 1,200 mAh. This is 184,000. This thing is built to really survive just about anything. Now, you can go ahead and You can connect a solar panel for the input on this. I've done that before. You can go ahead, heck, anything that's an input, you can rig, you can make that work. But yeah, it's just easy to charge it up with your 110 and have it ready. If there's a hurricane, earthquake, flood, anything coming your way, guess what? Having this gives you a lot of, feeling good that you're gonna be okay. If you're without power for a day, you won't even notice it. And these things are so much more lightweight and compact than they used to be. Has a sturdy handle. Some of the products that I've had an opportunity to mess with, the handles aren't very sturdy. They're gonna come off. This one, no big issue. It's the COOFLY S600S. This is an outdoor power station that's going to make a world of difference. Go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If your question is, should you get it? The answer is, heck yes, you should. Hopefully, I have answered your FAQs and you're ready to pick this up. Go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being a friend. Been down that road and back again. Adios, amigos.